day, lovely people. This is Zia from Sankofa Chiropractic Wellness Center. Don't pop your head until you hear this. That crack you hear, it's not fixing anything. It's just releasing gas from your joints. And if you do it wrong, you could pinch a nerve or damage your spine. The spine, you could damage it. The real danger is you are creating instability and making your body crave that crack more and more. Get examined, get adjusted. Please don't self-snap your way into chronic pain. Visit Sankofa Chiropractic Wellness Center for your exam and chiropractic adjustments. Have a great day.